Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this remote control smart bird feeder. So I'm going to have a camera on it and I'll be able to see what it is here. So let's open this thing up and I'll show you guys what it looks like and we'll set it all up. Let's see what it's going to take. We'll set it up outside because that's where the birds are. Okay, so it comes with a little perch for the birds and comes with a tremendous amount of foam. And look at this, it's got the solar panel on the top here, and you can see there's the camera, which I'll be able to aim up and down to point to my birds. I have the opening here where I will put in all my bird food. So the bird food will be going there. This will be the solar panel, and this will be the camera pointing at the birds, and this will be the perch for it right there. Can you see all that? Okay. And this is going to plug into the camera, I'm going to say, to do its stuff. But I'm going to set it up outside. Let's see what else we got here for the mounting brackets and pieces and parts. Make sure we're going to be able to get this thing going. We do have some instructions. We have I guess this is like a Hummingbird attachment probably. I can put that, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. I could put that on one of these here probably so I can video some hummingbirds too. Very cool. And what is this? Our mounting stuff. And let's just look at this real quick. So it's going to mount onto a wall if I want to, like that. And then this will fit on top of it like that, I'm going to guess. So it can either be that way. I think there's going to be a few different mounting options, will be my guess. Yes, and the other way is with the strap, which I will probably do. I'll probably strap it onto a tree, so it'll be even prettier. And then we would screw it in the bottom into there. So, and then we can rotate it depending on where we want it to face. So cool. Hey, I like that. Kind of good design for that. Very cool. Or I guess the other option you could do is you could hang it. So you could put the hooks on the sides here and there and hang it from something. So you could just hang it from a tree. It'll probably sway a lot then, but I don't know. Maybe I'll even try it that way. I'll try it a few different ways and then put the camera, connect up the camera and everything, and we'll give it a try and I'll let you guys see how it is. But I like it so far. Thumbs up. And here it is, set up in the wilderness. So we will see when the birds come how it looks. And here it is behind me in the wilderness. No birds yet, but we'll see. I'll post some pictures when we get them.